DJI Phantom 4 Pro Quadcopter starters on the Go bundle. Our DJI Phantom 4 Pro Quadcopter drone features a 3-axis stabilized gimbal camera with a 20MP 1 CMOS sensor capable of shooting up to 4K 60 fps video and well as photo bursts at up to 14 fps. The hull has been updated from the previous Phantom 4 drone camera, now featuring magnesium alloy construction for increased rigidity and reduced weight. The Flight Autonomy system adds dual rear vision sensors plus infrared sensing for a total of 5 directions of obstacle sensing and 4 directions of obstacle avoidance. Starter package includes DJI Phantom 4 Pro Quadcopter, DJI Remote Controller, transmitter, intelligent flight battery charger, AC cable for charger, 4X9450S quick release propellers, foam case, gimbal clamp, Lexar 16GB 633X microSD card, micro USB cable, USB OTG cable, water resistant backpack for foam case, landing gear stabilizers, black quick release prop guard set of 4 white transmitter, lanyard, microfiber cleaning cloth. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.